Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board one of our brand new arrivals. Super excited to walk you guys through this one. It's a Sea Ray 270 SDX surf model. So like I said, really excited to walk you guys through this one. Starting back here on the swim platform, really nice and expansive platform. Really nice feature that we love to see on a lot of the new Sea Rays is the flip down swim steps. So this will just sit a couple feet below the water, just makes getting on and off the boat really easy, whether you got little kids with you or your furry friends. Like I said, just makes getting on and off the boat super simple. Really nice and spacious sun pad area right here, and this backrest will fold down to expand that sunbed. Moving into the cockpit of the 270 SDX Surf, really nice L-shaped seating, plenty of cup holders throughout. You can never have enough cup holders when you're out there on the water, as well as inductive charging ports on each side. Really nice feature of the surf model here. When you're out there on those either early spring days or out there in the fall, when you're getting in and out of the water, you know, it can be a little bit chilly. So we do have 3 separate heaters throughout the boat. So you have one right here, you have one in your helm station, and then you have another one right here, and they will pull out. Same nice little heaters. Put it under your towel, stay nice and warm on those spring and fall days. Moving forward, you do have adjustable backrests here on your port and starboard side. So once you get anchored up or you're in a cove, you can flip these forward and just really enhance your cockpit space and your entertaining space right here. Here at your helm station, you have twin multifunction Simrad multifunction displays. So they're going to display all your mercury data, your chart plotter, as well as your surf system. And right here, you're going to have your mercury digital throttle and shift, as well as your Glencoe trim tabs. Underneath your helm station right here, you are going to have a vacuum flush head and a sink. And then right here, you're going to have access to your Fusion audio system head unit. Now moving forward into our bow, one of the beauties of the SDX series from Sea Ray is the expansive space that you have up here in your bow. So the bow is a little bit more rounded off versus your traditional pointed bow per se. Just gives you a lot more space. So typically in your regular bow rider, you're going to be able to fit 2 or 3 people, but with the amount of space you have up here, I mean, you can probably fit 4 or 5 people up here. So really just enhances the entertainment space and just the amount of people you can bring out here on the boat. Moving forward, all the way forward into our bow, you do have a anchor locker. This boat is equipped with a windlass and a bow locker. Another really nice feature to mention is you do have transom and bow sprayers. So if you guys are out on the beach, instead of tracking in sand and dirt into the boat, you can wash your feet off so you're not tracking anything into the boat. So there's a ton more features on this Sea Ray 270 SDX Surf. So I'd love to tell you guys more about it. If you get a chance, visit us at marinemax.com, or if you'd like to see it in person, come visit us here in Bald Ridge Marina.